guys, happy new year if I haven't said that to you yet, as this is the first video I'm filming this year 2020. So all of festivities has passed and there's loads of sales at the moment. So Snatched, one of the deals, this one is the NYX Love Lust set. Basically there's nothing new in the set in general. All you get is the Ultimate Shadow Palette Warm Neutrals, which already exist, the Hype Mascara, which already exists, and I have one and it's amazing, and then Slim Eye Pencil in color black, which already exists. So I think without any further ado, I'm gonna open this up so we can see what we have. This is brand new, by the way, I haven't opened it yet. I think this was retailing for £20, which is already cheaper than buying the item separately. But it was on a sale and it was only tenner, I think, if I'm correct. Super cheap. So it was like cheaper to get the set than just buy the mascara on itself, basically. So we got the Ultimate Eyeshadow in a Warm Neutrals. Then we have the Hype Mascara. I did an in-depth review for this. I'm gonna link it. I love this mascara. It's amazing. And then we have a black Slim Eye Pencil. So we're gonna start from the Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in Warm Neutrals. I have the one in Brights already and I've been using it. I'm using it a lot. I'm gonna link a few of the tutorials when I use these in the eye in here so you guys can check it out. Beautiful palette, long lasting, super pigmented, and this palette I think might be just as amazing as that one. The Hype Mascara. I've been loving this a lot as well. I have two opened ones already that I am using currently. Love this mascara, love a brush, love it, it's long lasting, it doesn't flake or anything during the day or bleed. Beautiful mascara, good for hooded eyes as well, and if you have oily eyelids like I do, because it doesn't leave like little marks during the day. And then we have this little Slim Eye Pencil. I don't own one by NYX, so this one is my first one, so we're gonna see if it's any good or no. So let's start opening from this beautiful eyeshadow palette, the Warm Neutrals. Such a beautiful colors. There's unlimited makeup looks you can create using this, from daytime to nighttime. And that's the colors that I love the most and I wear on a daily basis. And I love it, it's mixture of the mattes and shimmers. So it has 7 shimmers and 9 mattes, which is perfect, I think. So let's do a few swatches. I'm gonna try this light one because the lightest color is usually the hardest to show up. Okay, I can see a color, it's not too bad. Let's go for this shimmer here. Oh, look at that, you guys! Alright, this one doesn't show up too much as it matches my skin color. Nice shimmer as well. Let's go for some darker colors. Let's go with this one. I really like this color. This is something that I would normally wear. Oh, look at this beauty! And maybe some darker shimmer. This one is a shimmer. Ain't bad. I like this. What do you guys think? Let's try maybe this, like a golden shimmer. Oh. Looks beautiful so far. The light colors doesn't look as super intense, but then it kind of matches my skin color, so maybe that's why it doesn't show up as much. Alright, so I think without any further ado, let's try and create the eye look using these goodies, because I'm gonna be playing with the eyeshadow and I don't really want it to have any fallouts. If we're gonna have some, because we don't know. I'm gonna use some loose setting powder just to dust under the eyes, so we can swipe off later in case we're gonna have some, you know, fallouts, just to prevent that. So I'm just gonna use the Makeup Revolution Translucent Loose Setting Powder. So we're gonna start with this color as our transition color. I think I'm just gonna go for like a smoky halo makeup look. I'm going higher than my creases. So I'm coming back to the same color as I just used, and I'm gonna place it in my inner eye corner and the outer eye corner. We're gonna leave the middle empty. I'm using the same fluffy brush, by the way. This one is a shading brush by Real Techniques. And then what's left on the brush, I'm just blending to this crease part. I'm taking this beautiful burnt brown color kinda. I'm gonna place exactly the same as I did with previous shadow, just closer to the inner eye corner and closer to the outer corner. Placing shadow very close to the inner eye corner and then kinda dragging the color. Taking a fluffier brush to blend this. Taking a smaller shading brush by Real Techniques, small dense brush, and this darker color. And gonna go even closer to the inner and outer corner. And what's left on the brush is gonna go very lightly through this crease part as we did. Then clean brush to blend this. Alright, so I'm taking a clean brush and this lightest color that we have in the corner. I'm gonna go in the middle of a mobile lid and kinda lighten this halo part. And then we're gonna apply some shimmer. And then I'm taking this shimmer color in here with my finger at first, maybe later with a brush, and place on the top of this lighter color that we just applied. Taking a fluffier brush once again and just blending the edges. Alright, we can wipe off the powder off already as we're not gonna have fallouts because we're gonna go with a mascara and black liner and then just lower lash line, so you can already wipe some off. I usually prefer to do my eyes, my eyebrows and then my eyeshadow prior applying the foundation and all, just in case I would have any fallouts. So for our lower lash line, we're gonna just kind of mimic the same as we did on the top. We're gonna straight away go with this color on the inner eye corner and the outer corner, and then in the middle we're just gonna add some shimmer. If I look any different, my face looks any different, it's because I wiped off this powder underneath that I had. I'm not sure if I filmed that part or not. And then I had some food because I was really hungry. And now I'm gonna finish off this makeup look and this little review tutorial kind of thing. So I haven't finished off the lower lash yet. As I mentioned, I'm gonna use this shimmery golden color, exactly as we did in the middle of the mobile lid. Gonna use in the middle of the lower lash line. And the same color in the inner eye corner. Next thing I'm doing, I'm taking this slim eye pen, still wrapped in this original seal thing that I always struggle to take off. Let's see how it looks. I've never used one from NYX, to be honest. I don't really use black pen, I usually use the eyeliner, but this is super pigmented, guys. Okay, so it's perfect for creating the like smoky eye if you wanna go just close to the lash line and leave the smudge off. I'm not gonna do that. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go with black pencil very close to my lash line and then in between the lashes and on the lower lash line, on the waterline. I'm gonna use a mascara shield as I have hooded eyes and heavy hands and sometimes it goes on my mobile lid, so I prefer to protect that, so just placing mascara shield and using the mascara. And this eye makeup look is complete, guys, that was super easy and quick and really easy to use. I forgot how much I love this Worth a Hype mascara. It's definitely worth a hype. I think I just did a mistake by not opening the brand new one and using one that I have already, because I change my mascara so often. I don't really ever finish them off. I mean, don't really like wait till it's dried off. You know what I mean? So kind of just drop in my drawer and then I have another one, or I'm testing out something new. So I have no idea how long I have this. Maybe 3 months, 2 months, I don't know. But I think it started drying off because my lashes looks a little bit clumpy, and this is not that this mascara does normally. Like normally lashes doesn't look like this. I mean, it looks way much nicer, and I forgot how nice this mascara is. So I did this mistake, but I didn't want to wipe it off and, you know, do another one with a brand new one, because I thought it's gonna be unfair and it's a bit of a lie, and that's not what I am and what I do. So I thought I'm just gonna be honest with you. You know, I did a bit of a mistake by using the older one instead of opening a new one, but well, you know, things happen. So it's me being honest, so you know why it looks like this. But normally it would look way much nicer. I honestly love how much it gives, you know, body and length, this mascara. Full review is up on my channel, as I mentioned. I'm not gonna go into more details. I love this eye pencil as well. The eye pencil is actually the best if you have hooded eyes and you just want to lift, you know, your eye up a bit to make it look more bigger. Just work it into your lash line, basically between the lashes, and then apply mascara. It kind of looks like you have an eyeliner, but you don't really, and it lifts your eye up a bit as well. So this is perfect. And then this eyeshadow palette, oh my goodness, you guys, I love it. Very nice colors, loads of ways to use to create, you know, eye makeup looks from daytime to nighttime looks. Colors are exactly like I would use every day, so I think this is gonna be my everyday eyeshadow palette from now on. I do really hope you guys enjoyed watching this super easy makeup tutorial and review, kinda-ish. If so, please don't forget to press a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So what do you guys think of this makeup look? Just gonna... Do you guys own any of these products that we were using today? Do you love it as much as I do, or you hate it for some reason? Leave a comment down below, let me know, and let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel, and I shall see you very, very soon. So thanks so much for watching, and bye! Ciao for now, guys. Have a good day.